हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप एवरीवन इज डूइंग वेल। सो जो हमने लास्ट वीक डिस्कस किया था फॉर आवर ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्लान ऑन 2nd फॉर द 2nd दिसंबर एक्सपायरी, तो उसके केस में अगर हम अपनी पोजीशन देके ऑन आवर ऑप्शा प्लेटफॉर्म, तो यहाँ पे वो प्रॉफिट दिखा रहा है ऑफ 2400, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग। जो एक्चुअल था वो वी हैड बुक लॉस ऑफ अराउंड 3800 रुपीज पर लॉट, बिकॉज ऑन फ्राइडे निफ्टी हैड क्लोज्ड below 17,300 level, and हमारा जो stop loss था वो hit हो गया था, and we have closed our position. So net on net, we have booked a loss of around 3,800 rupees per lot in this position. And अगर हम चार्ट पे भी देखें तो दिस इज द ऑप्स्टा पे जो बता रहा है वो रॉन्ग है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैंने क्लोज नहीं किया पोजीशन। सो यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे जो 26 नवंबर है, जो फ्राइडे था हमारा, तभी स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ था, एंड जिसे क्लोजिंग दिख रही है 1726 का क्लोजिंग है। So we got exited on that day, and we have booked a loss of another 3,800 rupees per lot. Net on net, we are profitable, and उसका already screenshot, उसका already हमने status वगैरह बना के रखा है, and we have loaded that on the Google sheet. So I will share the link in the description section of this video, so one can track that as well. So before beginning with the option trading plan for next week expiry, which is 9th December expiry. So an important update, we have shared the sector rotation sheet yesterday, and most of the users are getting उनको बहुत हेल्प हो रहा है इस शीट से. So if you have missed that update, so you can check this video, and also इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन पे I have shared the Google sheet का link, and also on our Telegram and Twitter profile we have shared the link and the video link of the Google sheet and video. So one can check both the link, and one can use the Google sheet, जो sector rotation sheet है, for their short term trading purpose, so which is very helpful for most of the traders. So let's start with the next week expiry trading plan, which is 9th December. So let's start with the technical analysis first. So this is the Nifty chart as of now, and यहाँ पे जब भी अगर हम if you are identifying some swing low and swing high for resistance and support, तो जो पहला स्विंग हाई हमें दिख रहा है अबाउट दिस प्राइस इज एट दिस लेवल विच इज 17,600, एंड जो डाउन साइड पे दिस वाज अ गुड बेस फॉर द निफ्टी, एंड अगर ये पिक अगर हम लोग ये वीक लेके तो हमारा जो सपोर्ट आ रहा है वो 16,780 यानी कि 16,800 के आसपास आ रहा है, बट द गैप हियर इज वेरी स्मॉल, एंड यहाँ से क्लोजिंग के बीच में जो गैप है वो बहुत ज्यादा है. So that's why we will shift this resistance line upward till 17,700 level, and this support line we will shift to this level, which is around 17,000 level, which is the round figure, or which is a whole number, not a whole number, yeah, which is a whole number, or which is psychological level as well. So these are the two important levels जिस पे हम trade लेंगे, and on the upside we will be shorting 17,700 call option. And जो downside पे I've just changed the colors. So on the downside I will short 17,000 put option. So these are the two strikes जहाँ पे हमारी position रहेगी for the next week. And as you all know, we don't keep our position naked, so we will always hedge our position by buying 200 points away option. So in that case, we will be buying 17,700 plus 200, which is 17,900 call option. And on the downside, we will be buying 17,000 minus 200, which is 17,800 put option to hedge our position. So this is the hedge position that we will be taking, and जो हमारी जो main position है वो भी हमने discuss कर दी है. And जो हमारा stop loss रहेगा, if Nifty closes about 17,700 in the next week, or if Nifty closes below 17,000, so हम अपनी position close कर देंगे in that case. So if let's say on Nifty closes above this level, या फिर Nifty closes below this level, then we will close all our position. हम कोई position open नहीं रखेंगे उस case में, and we will be out of that trade. And let's say if Nifty consolidate in this range like this, so we will hold our position till the expiry day, and on the expiry day the position will be auto squared off in that case. So this is the trading plan for the next week. Let's see the premiums in options now. So ये last week के premiums है, so इसको delete कर देते हैं. So 17,000 put option, 9th December expiry, and 17,700 call option. On the upside, we are hedging our position with 17,900 call option and 16,800 put option. So this is the entire position and जो हम लोग लेंगे for our next week expiry. So we will check the payoff as well. And यहाँ पे जो निफ्टी का चार्ट है इस पे the lines are only CPR. तो इसके ऊपर I have already shared a detailed thread which you can check on our Twitter profile as well. So let's see the premiums in these options now. December 9th and यहाँ पे हम स्ट्राइक सिलेक्ट कर देंगे. And on the downside, we will be shorting 17,000 put option. So ये हमारी जो नेकेट पोजीशन है ये है एंड इसमें अगर हम देखें तो मार्जिन रिक्वायर्ड इज अराउंड 1.1 lakhs and the profit it is around 4,200. So we will hedge our position now. So we will be buying 16,800 put option. And on the upside, we will be buying 17,900 call option. So this is the final position and यहाँ पे हमारी जो probability of profit it is 63%. The maximum profit that we are getting is around 2,400 and the maximum loss from undefined loss we have brought it down to 7,600 rupees in that case. And जो margin required है इसमें it is around 46,000 rupees per lot. So this is the final payoff for the position and we have already discussed our entry and exit strategy in this case. So one can revisit or recheck this video again for detailed analysis. So this is all about the today's like the option trading plan for next expiry, which is 9th December expiry. And there is a disclaimer, and you can also follow us on Twitter and Telegram. And in case if you have any queries, you can post it on our Twitter or you can send a mail as well. So these are the mail IDs. This is the mail ID, and also there's a disclaimer with this video. Thank you guys.